Hey, so we're going to do an update on the big Wallisville site we've got on the go. Once again, I'm actually in the office in front of the green screen, but let's walk you through the site. So first off, since we've last been there, we've poured the gigantic footing for the fence along the front. The footing was 200 wide, 300 high, and goes the whole way along. This is going to be the edge of the driveway on one side and the edge of the garden on the other. This has been offset from the boundary 1 meter for a strip of planting to soften it the whole way along. So we got that poured and the boys have deboxed that, and now we're setting up the fence posts and panels. We're using 2 Boundary Lane products, the aluminium slats and the Elite Wool. That's coming together really nicely, loving the look of that. Can't wait to drop the safety fence and get a real feel for it. We've framed up the deck. This really ties the indoor with the outdoor. We've got room for a fire, we've got room for a pergola, and just lots of lounging around. And we've had to work around the protected tree as well. We're not allowed to build within the drip line of that tree. That, alongside the house height and the boundary, has ended up dictating the shape of the deck. This is a cool example again of working with a landscape designer, having a proper plan before you rip into it. Our client and our landscape designer started working together around 3 months ago to come up with the plan of all these things we're doing. Once again here we're going to do key deck with hidden fixing. It's what I did on the section OB wanted. We've done it on about 5 more builds since. Our clients love it. It's a great product to use. We love it. It seems to be reasonably stable. It's a quarter sawn pine. So quarter sawn is when instead of taking the log and just chopping it one way, they work their way around. It's like cutting a pizza or a donut. You work your way around and you cut with the grains of the wood. It then comes out of the factory pre-stained on all 4 sides. These 2 things make it a little bit more stable than a normal pine product. That, combined with the hidden fixing, means that it looks $1 million, feels $1 million, doesn't cost $1 million. Inside we've finished all the interior painting. We've got the floor prepped. We're doing oak in the main living areas. We've got the kitchen coming in and the bathrooms have been tiled. So flooring is going to be a mixture of tiles in the bathrooms, oak in the lounge and living and out the stairwell, and then carpet throughout the rest of the rooms. Kitchen's going in, the plumber will come in and do all his bits and pieces, and then we've got the Sparky and Data Guy to finish off. When you're doing overlaid flooring, you have to put in your skirtings after your flooring. So we'll get the builder back and we'll do some of those areas that still need work, those final bits and pieces. We'll then do a clean, we'll do touch-ups, and the inside will be ready and livable. On the outside, we've got to finish the decking. We've got 1 more panel of fencing to go up. Then the driveway gets concreted, and same thing, it's all coming together very close to the finish line. Going to be an amazing, epic build, great to be a part of. So I visited site yesterday, and some of the things I'm thinking about is how do we start tying up all the loose ends? How do we minimize the amount of areas or projects on the go and start tackling some of the lingering jobs? We still need to build a little platform at the front door to step down to the driveway. Like I said, we need to get the builder back and do the skirting. We need to measure up for the balustrade in the stairwell. and then we just make sure that the plumber and the sparky and the kitchen guy have everything they need on site to finish off their bits and pieces. We've got to get the gas fitter back to do the gas fire. From there, we give everything a final clean, final check. We get the client to walk through, sign it off, and then we have a party and say, yay, we built another house. Thanks for watching this update. I hope that you don't mind the green screen. It means that we can keep smashing out the work in the office. Don't worry, I'm still going to site. I still love it. Sometimes it's just not quite working out with my schedule and Sam's schedule. We've been filming heaps of effort content. We're doing checklist videos. We're doing subdivision courses. There's lots of exciting stuff to come for the channel. If you haven't already, go ahead, click subscribe. See you on the next update.